As you know, shooting with your smartphone is one of the best and easiest way to create content, be it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and etc. And one of the best accessories to improve the content shot on your smartphone is a compact tripod like this that has a load of features while costing under $10. So let's check it out. What's up? TJ here with Technological Gadgets, bringing you the best in tech and making it work for you. On this channel, we more often than not do tech gear reviews, but occasionally we do tech tips like that to help you make the best use of the tech you already own. And if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech content. First, let's unbox this product. It comes in this pretty unique black and silver box. On the front, you see the product as well as the name and description of this product. On the left side, you see how to install your phone into this product. On the right side, you see the remote control instructions, and finally on the back, you see how you can turn it into a tripod. And I'll be touching on every aspect of the product along with showing you how it works and how to set it up. Getting to the box, you get the product itself and nothing else. Now let's move on to the build quality and looks of this product. It is made completely out of matte black plastic, with the top portion here being translucent, which you will see why later on, and the arm being metal. Overall, the product feels pretty light and solid, especially as it is meant solely for smartphones, which are pretty light. Moving on to the features, it has a articulating head with only limited tilt adjustment, which I honestly hope was a ball head, but for $10, what more can I ask? Moreover, this product is able to be folded up so compact you can store it basically anywhere and even into a jacket pocket. Other than that, there is a small light on the top that recharges via micro USB, sadly not USB-C. To turn it on, all you have to do is to double tap this button on the side. Tapping once more allows you to make it brighter, and tapping it again allows you to reach its maximum brightness. This is pretty bright while being decently diffused for a light that is so small. Although the battery life on this light is not very long, at about a few hours. So keep that in mind. This is, in my opinion, an awesome feature as smartphone sensors are very small compared to actual full-fledged cameras, especially the front-facing cameras, and hence requires a lot of light to take good photos and videos, and this just allows you to do that, especially in low light. And here is a sample video, of course in low light first, then with the light on top turned off, then at its lowest brightness, followed by the second brightest, and then its brightest. As you can see here, the video quality improves pretty drastically. Besides that, it has a Bluetooth remote that you can connect to your phone for taking photos or starting and stopping videos via Bluetooth. And the best part, it can be removed, meaning you can set your phone far away and activate it without a cable getting in the way, and it just attaches right here. Apart from that, to extend this, you just pull it out, giving you a maximum length of 1 meter to give you an insanely wide shot compared to you just holding it with your hand. Also, it makes the video much more stable, as you can see here, while making moving shots such as panning look much cleaner. Lastly, it has two modes, the first being Selfie Stick mode, which I have shown here, and the next one would be Tripod mode, which most of you are excited about. And before I show you how to turn this into a tripod, I would like to ask you the question of the day. What smartphone are you currently using to shoot your content on, and what is your setup for it? Let me know down in the comment section below. And enough talking, let's get back right into the video. To transform this from selfie stick mode to tripod mode, all you want to do is to first loosen up this screw a bit, and pull up this part just a bit, remove this Bluetooth remote part, pull it up a bit, and you should see the three legs just fall down like that. Then all you want to do is you want to move this section so that the black pieces align with this black piece, and yet again you want to tighten it up, and there you have it. You have transformed it from selfie stick mode to tripod mode. This is great if you want to set your smartphone up somewhere to film or take a photo, or just to keep your hands free, or while making the footage look extra steady. Also, all the features like the light and Bluetooth remote are available in this mode as well. And to transform it back to selfie stick mode from tripod mode, all you have to do is loosen this screw a bit, align the spacers with these parts, pull it back up, tighten, and then push this part in, and there you have it. You've turned it back into selfie stick mode from. Lastly, I'll be doing a video comparison where I will be walking and moving in low light with my Pixel 4a's front-facing camera with selfie illumination enabled, and then with the same phone and settings, but now with the tripod maxed out on length as well as light intensity. Here you can see how much better the video looks, not only with it being so much more smoother, but also less grainier and overall brighter. And I will highly recommend you to pick up this product if you are serious about filming and vlogging with your smartphone, because it will make your footage look much better. Other than that, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, make sure you drop a like on this video and make sure to subscribe for more awesome tech content just like this, and I hope to see you in the next video.